In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete boards in monday.com. Let's dive right in and break down the process step by step to ensure it's both clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the monday.com website and logging into your account. If you have multiple workspaces or boards, take a moment to locate the exact board you intend to delete. This step is essential because monday.com can often house numerous projects, and you wouldn't want to accidentally remove the wrong one. So carefully navigate through your dashboards and identify the board that is no longer needed. Once you're on the appropriate page with the board in question, look for an icon that appears as 3 dots, often referred to as the options menu, next to the board name. Clicking these 3 dots reveals a drop-down menu. Depending on the settings of your workspace, there might be several options here, ranging from viewing board details to sharing board access. What you're looking for, though, is the delete option within this menu. Now, it's time to select the delete option you've spotted. Before clicking, double check that this is definitely the board you're looking to remove. It's a good practice because undoing deletions can sometimes require administrative support or might not always be possible, depending on your organization's policies. At this point, after you click to delete, the system might prompt you for confirmation just to prevent any unintentional deletions. Such confirmations are standard in software platforms, especially those concerning critical data like project boards. If a confirmation message appears, go ahead and affirm your decision to proceed with the deletion. Once confirmed, your chosen board will be deleted from your workspace. This action will remove not just the board, but also any tasks, sub-items, and information contained in it. It's advisable to inform any team members using the board about your decision beforehand to prevent any loss of important data or unexpected disruption. Remember, monday.com might have backups or archives depending on your plan, so if you realize you need the board back, you should check with your system administrator or support to see if recovery is possible, and that's all it takes to delete a board on monday.com. It's a straightforward process, yet crucial for maintaining well-organized, up-to-date project management spaces. Whether you're clearing clutter or simply closing out a completed project, this skill will ensure your workspace remains efficient and purposeful. Thank you for following along, and look forward to seeing how you master yet another tool in your project management arsenal.